Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple, cute Valentine's Day design. So I'm going to be using Model 1's red polish, this nudish pink color, as well as this top coat that I got from Amazon. Y'all, I've been loving this top coat. So if you have any recommendations for other ones, let me know so I can test them out. But I already prepped, so if you didn't see how I prep my press-ons, go ahead and watch that. Because if you haven't seen it, what you doing? But I'm just going to paint my pinky, index, and thumb fingers red. And then my ring finger and middle finger, they're going to be that nude color that I showed you guys. So yeah, let's get into it.
Oh, what we doing?
Alright y'all, so once I painted my first coat, I'm going to clear this in the lamp for 60 seconds, and this is what it should look like when you take them out. So now we're going to go ahead and do our second coat, so you guys can just vibe out to some music while I do this. Alright y'all, so this is what they look like. We're going to cure them for 60 seconds. And this is what they should look like when they come out of the lamp. Now y'all know I stick my crystals, rhinestones, all of that on with polygel. So I'm basically just going to spread a good amount of polygel all over the nails that we painted with our nude color. And I'm just going to spread it out. I didn't use acetone or alcohol or anything. I'm just going to evenly spread it out and wipe the excess so that my gems are secured. And yeah, this process honestly doesn't take too long. You just need to make sure that it's smooth, because if it's not smooth, when you go to cure it, it's going to be all lumpy and it's not going to be cute. So you do want to make sure that it's as smooth as you can get it. And yeah, you guys can just watch me do that. I'm almost done. Okay, so once you spread all of the polygel out, I'm going to use these little gems that I got from Shein. You guys need to go watch my Shein haul if you haven't. But basically the design that we're going to do is like a little heart. We're going to do two half of hearts on each finger. I mean, not two, sorry. A half of heart on each finger. So when you put the fingers together, it'll make a whole heart. So I'm just going to speed this process up and let you guys watch. Alright, so once you have your gems in place, you're going to cure it for 60 seconds and put your top coat on there and also cure that. But me doing that, it didn't record for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. These nails came out really, really cute. This is what they look like. I really enjoy making this set. And if you guys want to shop this set, click the link in the description box below and use the code. And get money off, sis. And shop Niyaknails. Because if you're not shopping Niyaknails, then what you doing? But anyways, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment anything else you want to see. And make sure you subscribe. Bye, guys.